All right, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all is well with you. So many of you know this guy called Commander ROZ. I know you be like kind of ROZ again. Listen. ROZ is back. All right, and we are going to go through what he said, and of course the reaction from AKPARAWA because he ran some important accusation and key points about Ogenkere AKPARAWA. So I want you to pay close attention to everything, okay, about it. Very, very important. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. Put a comment. Put your comment. Let me know what you think about what we are going to discuss in the course of this video. All right. So let me start by sharing this with you, okay? I believe, in case if you don't know who is ROZ, ROZ is one of the person on social media, one of the people, because there are many, to be honest, who parade themselves to be BLA. So when the going get off, they disappeared and nobody knows about them. And he said some crazy stuff before he left. But today he's back. He's back, and what he said, like I said, will interest you. What you are seeing here now, what you are seeing on the screen now, is the AKPARAWA's insult on him. But guess what? There are more to that. That is why we are here to relate everything to you. So please pay attention as we go through it one by one. I don't want the video to be too long. Trust me. I don't want it to be too long. I will try my best to manage the time that you have for this video. Okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's start from here. Okay, this Commander ROZ post, he's not this one, but this is the post that he made on 8th of August, as you can see on your screen now, 8th of August 2026, this month. Today's date is 11th of August 2026. Now, this post we are seeing here, like I said, is from no other person than ROZ himself. This is his S handle, as you can see. So let me see if I can expand, increase the size so it will be more visible for you to see. So here is what ROZ said. Okay, as you can see here, this is what he said. I believe you can read it as well because I managed to zoom it for you to see it, in a very, very good format. I want to make sure that we manage everything in, okay, I think we're good to go. He said here, all these fake people that surrounded PM Simon Ekpa and those that clustered around Ogenkere, your time will soon be up. So because he said because you Ogenkere reached out to Skull Group to join you as professional that we are, we said no. That is why you all are now panicking. So ROZ is now your Biafra. I really don't know what triggered him. I really don't know. So I'm trying to know how the whole thing started. The same 8th of August. Let me go down and see the first post. This one is May. I don't think the whole thing started from May. So let's May, June, July, August. So last time he posted is on May. He posted in May this year. Then May 28th, June, July. 2 months, he did not post anything. Then August. Then he made this post this August, which is August 8th. Then he said this: if not that we have so many idiotic people in this liberation, he said their common sense would have told them that I said we shall take a break from media to take care of some important issues. Some people who always says, why are we on media? Do you think you can teach us our job, AKPARAWA? Okay. It could be that AKPARAWA must have said something that triggered ROZ. So he made this and he called AKPARAWA name. That so now AKPARAWA dog can reach out to them according to what he said. That's what could trigger this one also. The same day he said again, all these people that surrounded PM Samonekpas and those Samonekpa and those that clustered around Ogenkere, your time will soon be up. So because you Ogenkere reached out, so Ogenkere himself reached out to them, to the score group, according to him, to join him, and as professionals that we are, he says, we said no. That is why you all are non-panicking. So ROZ is non Biafra. Then again we move. He said here, let me start. This one, the same date, the same August 8th, 2026. He said, time shall tell, we shall know who is who, or is it success, that success working, that have scammed you all and later instigates a fight between ROZ and Gentle. How are you all getting the Biafra? We just kept silent to strategize, because whatever you do in life, you must have a series of strategy to conquer. I don't know what I mean by that. I'm not going to lie to you. So you must have a series of strategies to conquer. Okay, whatever you do in life, okay, said because whatever you do in life, you must have how are you all getting Biafra? We must keep silent to strategize and all that. So he didn't stop there. He made a post again the same day. All of them have nothing to offer. Ogenkere, Sonny AKPARAWA, we are waiting for you all. Ogenkere, you think ROZ is peanut army, or you, Sonny AKPARAWA, think by inviting ROZ to your stupid platform, I will rush to listen to all your famous garbage. All you all do is causing confusion. Like what all you all do is causing confusion. So okay, let's continue. May God continue to bless our leader, Mas Namodekano, continue to bless our original prime minister, original prime minister. So the other one is fake prime minister. Not the fake ones, he said. I love this one. Let me read it again. May God continue to bless our leader, Mazin Namodeka, that's MLK, and continue to bless our original Prime Minister Samanekpa, not the fake ones. Our able Prime Minister Mazin Samanekpa, may your days be long. To all those scammers, your days are numbered. He said, we do our job, never depend on your criminals. Never depend on you criminals. Then on 29th, he made a post again. He said, we posted it here on X that we shall take a break on media to focus more on the enemies and some dimension for the mission will be changed. That some dimension will be changed and some dimension will be changed, because the more harder it becomes, the more tactics will be changed. But I'm still surprised that some of our people are still asking, why are we absent on X? Some of our people, really? Okay, let's continue. Then again, he said here, something are not mentioned. Something are not meant. Some things. Some things I don't understand. It didn't flow well to me. He said some things are not meant to be discussed. Now I get it. Some things are not meant to be discussed on media, and I assured our people that we know and understand how the game works. Allow us to do our job without distraction. When the time comes for us to appear again on media, we shall let us know. Thanks, Commander Ross, PMC score. Okay, this is from Ross. Remember, some time ago, Ross claimed to be Butoso, that kind of thing, and said something about himself and his personality. Then he was exposed by Gentle. So his name, his identity has been in question. People are questioning that. So many people don't believe it. Don't believe that. Many don't believe him. Many people don't believe that he's real. Some say he's fake and all that. So upon hearing this, Sona Akparawa couldn't stand it. He couldn't, endure. He decided to reply, of course. So now one chose to decide to reply, and his response is what I'm here to share with you. So let's go down here. I think I have it somewhere here. What Sona Akparawa said about Roz. He was not happy the way Roz put his comment and all that. So what did Sonny do? Sonny, on August 9, my attention has been drawn to an impostor that I smoked out called Roz, who has no connection with BDF, never but always posting the result of BDF to claim victories. He had appeared on Nigeria Betty platform to deceive Biafrans until he was busted. He couldn't stand talking. He couldn't stand talking in the space I host. He couldn't stand talking in the space I hosted. Okay, when I told him to speak because he knows that I know say na scam him be, and that I would unmax him, This is Onak Barawa, calling Roz fake and all that. Remember, they have used this Roz when they hosted him, and they said that BLA, this son is a criminal. And I sorry to say that. Some of you that may, did I say sorry? No, he's a criminal. Listen, that time Sonny also was clapping and promoting the presence of this Roz, saying that BLA have announced as that Commander Roz, Butoso, but come on. Now he's not telling that the guy is fake. That he knew that he's fake. But he's second in a ministerial position according to them. So now Mazakwa, working with him there as of that time, was singing praises of this Roz. Sonny kept quiet. Now he will now want to tell you that he knew that he's fake and all that. Come on. So what is different between you and him then? What is not different between you and him? You see? Anyway, to wrap it up, this is dividends of having somebody like Lazuba in a movement like this. Look at what the Mega Gift is mocking himself because of Lazuba. IPA supporters exposes their dealing in Finland. Now, let's hear what Lazuba said here. All right, this video will go a long way because this is social media. Lazuba thinks that is funny because now he's not acting as if that which he said, that he just said it to get back at Mazakwa, but he has damaged a lot of things. Anyway, let me know what you think about it because these people that are this fallback group and DOS and all this, they can never ever represent. Starting from a mega gift to ROZ, Lazuba, so now AKPARAWA. These guys, this is a class of people that we now have from our land. Very, very annoying. Very, very, very annoying. So irritating. ROZ did what he did from back then. Remember, he's the same guy that also threatened Kenena. Today, he's not sounding as if he never walked or pushed for to accelerate Ogen and all that. What you don't know is bigger than you, like Jim normally said. Let me know what you think about everything we discussed so far. Please don't forget to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. And give us your own opinion on the comment section. Very, very, very important that you do so. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.